Bullish Jasmy coin. Jasmy cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.03166 and $1.1507092 by 2030. Market examiners accept Jasmy could reach $0.64685 by 2025. Negative Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.14785. Jasmy coin. Jasmy presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional construction of a market, the digital money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Be that as it may, with this ceaseless advancement and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and expects to go about as a mediator for the solid trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces (PDL). This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and cornered conjectures. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this passing winding? And what's the cost gauge for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy. Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets, consequently developing the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin. Jasmy is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the foundation and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPS Interplanetary Document Framework, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework, yet the organization used to fabricate it is Global Space Record Frameworks IPS, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is likewise Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivating forces of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Jasmy coin got recorded on the Bittrex crypto trade and began to help Trust Wallet and MetaMask exchanges in May 2021. In September 2021, Slowest Innovation, a security organization that focuses on brilliant agreement reviews, marked a cooperation managed Jasmy. This association was to actually take a look at the security guidelines of the convention and its assessment mechanics. Likewise, inside a similar period, Jasmy banded together with Sagantasu, one of the top groups in the Japanese Football Association, and turned into its support. In October 2021, Jasmy coin got recorded on Coinbase and Coinbase Master. In the new year 2022, Jasmy declared that they intend to grow universally, chiefly into North America and Asia. They plan to cultivate associations with organizations in view of blockchain and man-made consciousness simulated intelligence innovation. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0.18481. Jasmy has moved 2.5% as of now with an exchanging volume of $69 to $938,179. Jasmy coin is presently positioned 102 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $911 to $131,646. Using the overall strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin. Jasmy to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Jasmy coin. Jasmy value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Jasmy. The Jasmy cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.2772. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.5874 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.22178. Jasmy coin. Jasmy value forecast 2024. In 2024, Jasmy coin Jasmy cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $1 for 6 tier 3. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Jasmy's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.6963 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.4659. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.64685 and Jasmy might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.25914 and a low of $0.55444 in 2025. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.083166, with a base cost of $0.073925 and a typical cost of $0.077622. Jasmy coin Jasmy value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.09613 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.09247 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Jasmy has a most extreme value worth of $101,648. Jasmy coin Jasmy value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $214,585. In the event that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $120,189. Neglecting to assemble the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.110,888. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2029. While Jasmy is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $12.937 and a yearly cost close above $13,861 in 2029. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.478851 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.157.92, averaging out at $451,547. What is the Jasmy coin Jasmy cost today?